Lovely. We are live. Thank you. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to you all. It's me here again. What I do. You all know who I am. So I introduce myself, but I always introduce myself. Sorry, I have a little bit cold, so my voice is not that great. But because I'm here, because of concern we have regarding our people, I am here to pass a message to our people. So I am here to our people. So I hope that they will come in. I'm waiting for people to come in. Hello, where are my viewers? Where are my those on YouTube? Those on Facebook, please, if you don't mind, you can join me. Join me. And when you join me, if you don't mind as well, you can share this program. Thank you so much for coming in. And please help you share. Uh, because agwọ nọ n'akịrịka, ịghọtago? Agwọ nọ n'akịrịka, ọ dụtụ ịfụnanya anyị nwere ebe ụmụ Igbo nọ ka anyị ji wee sị ka anyị pụta. If not, onye nwere ụkwara kwesịrị izuru ike, onye nwere cold mana due ịfụnanya, due love, asịkwa ka e buru ya pụta mebe ihe gaba ụmụ Igbo okwu. If they will hear, let them hear, because ihe na-eme nnọọ. Thank you all. Ọ dịka tata ama m ma ya eji Igbo wee kwuo okwu a ka ndị be anyị wee nụ, ịghọtago? Ma ya esi oyibo, anyị nwere ike na-eme isi ya n'oyibo na-eme. So thank you so much all. How many people are coming? I wish there are a lot of people here so that I can start up. Thank you, please. If you don't mind, share and then join us, please. Lovely. Thank you. I'm coming in there. Yeah, because of that problem. Now I am going to do follow or kind of do at follow, at people to follow to come in and see my followers. Where's my follower? I don't want to highlight. Why is it not coming to? Okay. No, sorry. Then I will go to the other one. Sorry, my dear. And do followers too. No. Oh, sorry.
So will they come down from there?
Okay. I'm coming now. I'm coming in. I want to know. Yeah. I won't give up. Okay. Where am I? Okay. Perfect. It's not. Where is followers not coming on there? If I'm alive, why is followers not coming? Okay. Oh, it's not coming up. Follower. Why? I wanted to use followers to bring some people in, but it's not coming up. I don't know why. Well, I don't know why followers is not coming up. I don't know why it's not coming up here. But thank you so much, my sister, my dear sister Chinwe. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. And we are here because I'm going to Africa. I think I will tell them yeah, I go hana. I just wake up. Because now I know what make it so after movie and one go Chinwe. Happy New Year, Samuel. Chinwe, you are with us.
I wish you the best.
Adaibo, thank you so much. But before I proceed, please, I would like to just do a 1 minute silent for my friend, Wada Barbara. That's always with us fighting for this freedom. And recently we lost her after a brief illness. We lost her. So I would like us to do just a minute silence for her and then we can proceed. This is for Wada Barbara. And she's she's a Biafra woman. Wada Biafra, she loved Biafra so much. She's from Delta State. She so much loved Biafra. She loved Mazen Nandekano. She's an IPOP member, but she passed away recently. So I'm just going to do a 1 minute silence for her, for her. So thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. You know, she's a great Biafran woman. She stood always on the truth, you know. But that is life for you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Death is inevitable. We are all going to pass away one way or the other. One thing or the other is going to take our life. We pray for us to live long life, but when things happen, there's nothing we can do about it. So thank you so much. And before we proceed now, I would like to play this audio for us to know what is happening in Imo State, and then for us to know what is happening in our land, and that we Igbos, the Igbo people have to wake up. We really have to wake up. We really need to wake up to see the truth. Ihe mere ndị Hausa ebe anyị ọ bụ na ya eteta ha n'ụla, ọ bụ na ndị Igbo eteta ha n'ụla, ihe na-eme ndị Hausa nwekwara ike imebe anyị, because ebara m na ihe na ndị Hausa taa, ọ bụghị na one TikTok inweta ka ndị Hausa si wee na-ebezi akwa n'ihe na-eme ha, wee sị ọ bụ na ndị Igbo nọrọ kụzie ụdị ihe a mebekwa anyị, gịnị ka a ga-akpọ ya? But let me play this audio for you all to listen, please. This audio is the people. I want you to listen to this audio. Then what are we going to do? Because we are our own problem. We indeed, we are the cause of our problem. Listen.
Nemo, lemon. Asam kami voice note by Saturday. My sister, second eldest sister, has been the point of contact of kidnappers who kidnapped a vehicle, Kajanambra, through Onitsha Road. And my pastor kidnapped with 10 others. Then and they taken the upper of last. Eventually, I will number my sister 4 one day I'm working. I got 10 million or a boy where he starts. Yet you were saying 1 day I'm working. Yeah, for my other brother. Yeah, as I have 1 day and when I'm working. Yeah, you are halfway again. See, let that brother uncle have one halfway. See, your brother pastor, not his pastor, that his stupid Jesus and all those things. Anyway, did you hear? Came by one of my no panic attack because. When you get Rodian, who happened to be a supermarket, workers of supermarket, no my, medium my, will be a supermarket, the basic supermarket, and a couple of them all the man, they kidnapped him. I put up over every dozen, so that panic, you know, my sister now. We came by Hannah boy, the bottom line, bro. Yesterday, they were 10 million. Hasable now 15 million. But they are not 10. They were 10 million. Gabuya, we demand where I got together with 50,000 original cash and when I release the game condition on the Jiba motor. 110 million, 150 million. Here is it today. I release the apata. Here you know, when this thing happened in Imo State. As Nahame's return back. The back a hand let her go away. But how it happened was that I was on a checkpoint with full Nigerian uniform, either police or army, whatever. I said, driver to the chamber when you have the driver to another person enter the vehicle. How was your driver? The 10 passengers went somewhere. Hanya. They reckon not on the vehicle back. Here the back, they were heading back. Eventually, that's how they found themselves being more here. This is that Owerri road, Owerri Nature Road. I find this one any more here. They're going to the Agra when you're going to have today. I think it's either Mako here or Agra drop or Rahim. So, but the name a voice note about what the pastor said. The pastor said, at the 10, 4 people named her mother, they are not going to, they shocked them instantly. Now, the father, n'otu ahụ a na-agbagbu ihe ka ndị na-abụ mmadụ na-abụ ya na a na-abụ akwụkwọ aka separate organs na ndị na-azụkwa ha na-abịa na that Imo State. Ya nwa ha bịara ka ide n'eriri ụkwụ ya abụọ kpọwa ya isi n'ala ka ya agba ya boot. Mana the shocking thing bụ na ha si ya n'ọkwa ndị Igbo si na ha na Fulani ga-eme that they are here. Na ha ga-egbugide Igbo one by one na-egbu ha until there will be no men left to challenge them, and then the full blown out war will come. Now they have come, and that this place forever belong to them. Here we hear how what a pastor. Then pastor, Abraham also there is a camp, existing camp. Nehaya already had less than 300 men. Not less than 300 men. Ha na-abata ndị na-aga azụ ihe oriri ihe osisi ma ndị na-abụkashi mmadụ n'otu a ka anọdụ ya n'ime ọhịa. This will be between I don't know, so between that this thing happened in those Owerri Nature Road, as you said. I said 300, not less than 300 men. And otu ebu ha bata, the next day na-ebugo ndị mmadụ bata. Ihe m ji na-ekwu ihe ahụ maka ịma a na-ekwu ihe ndị mmadụ feel that ịpụ on the streets ga-ehụ ndị mmadụ eju. Ndị Igbo enweghị plan, ndị Igbo enweghị strategy. Onye ọbụla na-amali elu. Ndị na-agbọ bekee na-agbọ, ndị na-echi echichi na-echi, ndị na-aza this and that. Na mekano na-agwa ndị mmadụ na the marked out for extermination. Achịnawa egwuregwu. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a mere onye ọzọ, m story but this is directly from my second eldest sister, pastor ya. Na ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ọhịa sị n'ọkwa ndị Igbo n'otu ha anọghị ya ka ha nọ n'every state, na they will go silently na-agụrụ anyị before they unleash a full-blown war. And they have statistics of how much we are reducing. Ọ bụrụ na ya metụta m na through my sister, maybe you got on me and those and you think nothing is happening. I know here. I got meeting. And we think it's all funny. Where buildings, investment, one thing or the other property. And we think it's funny. Here we hear enemies in our land, and they are killing people every blessed day. And we think it's funny. And I say, onye makwa connection and target, this is not funny. We need to re-strategize why we meet and start talking with ideas secure Libo, because we are out. We are marked out for extermination. Those guys say politicize the guys and happen when you is up to you. When we here pensioners I got through Imo State because my elder sister was involved. And then how can I hear Kibe Road Junction? Some people thought I was just picking on hope until I hear everybody is aware of it. Where are those people? I am not bank I check whether all is well. They cannot Lagos a feeling there are mercenaries in Igbo land. Na grow mad every day. Ne mara nefu. For the ụgwọ ha alọghachi ndị na-akwụghị ụgwọ egbuo ndị na-azụ paasị na-azụ. You check your village, you got what I'm telling you. Guy, your village now, how many families? You came down at one village alone.
Okay, it is so sad that such a thing is happening in our land. But our people, they don't want to do anything. I'm coming. I'm going to. They don't want to know that something is going on. Everybody's just satisfied. They are all into business, looking for money. They are all into making money, but they don't know what is really going on. I went into a program today in TikTok. I was just scrolling things, and I bumped into this thing they are doing. And this lady, I think this, when you want to talk, I will make you. And this lady, she was there crying, saying that the Fulanis that have taken their land, that their land is gone. There's nothing, they have no place to call their home. That is the lady from Hausa land. She's going everywhere in all platforms, trying to wake up their people, her people, to let them know that this is what is happening to them. And it's like our own people, I'm going to play it a little bit so that before you say something, I will get to, I want to play this now. Okay, listen.
Okay, and I have Raji, a deputy of governor. He can't say anything. You know why? Because his wife Fulani. We have this issue. All important people, Hausa people, Fulani give them daughter, they say Sadaga. They give them as a gift. People, Fulani see young Hausa people, they have future. So okay, find the lady, marry him so he can even be proud of his tribe. Because Fulani, they want to steal in our land. Fulani, they use us. They divide us. Fulani, they use religion to divide us. We working behind it blindly. We are crazy. We are like animals. We're slave without slavery. So what's the problem when I call my people just stay away, marry Fulani woman? But I never say something like that. I'm not crazy. I have children. How I said to children to do something like that with their parents? I have mom. I have dad. How can I say something like that? This guy is a Fulani. Plus, he want this one my reputation because they want me to keep silent. Because I'm the first one who come out to call my people, hey, Hausa, wake up. Fulani genocide us. They want to finish us. They want to take our land. Now Fulani, they take our country. They take our clothes. They take our language. Hausa people are not allowed to go even the mosque to be imam. Hausa people, they can't go farm to do their things free. We, you know, if we go court, the judge is Fulani. The lawyer is Fulani. Even I don't money to go to radio, the owner radio is a Fulani. The journalist is a Fulani. You're not allowed to do that. I have Christian Hausa. I have their paper. You know, in Kano, during Gantuchi.
I'm Christian Hausa now. I'm Christian Hausa.
They put the Hausa name. They bring it to me paper. And they don't, you're not allowed them to put their name. They want to change their name to Arab. They are not Muslim. Why they change the name? They want to put a real Hausa name, like Alimbe. Now they're bullying me. Why I put the Alimbe? Why I don't call myself Rukaya or Fatima or Maryam or whatever? No, I'm Hausa. I have tried to use a Hausa name. So even our name, we're not allowed. Even dance. When when we have birthday, we call people, to sing for us, to dance. They catch us. Hizbah, they catch us. They put us in prison. This is Islam. Stay. You don't have to do that. We are slaves.
Okay, sister, somebody on the comment section that is a Fulani, that my tribe Fulani is evil. I don't know if it's a imposter, but that is what is written there. Continue.
Fulani boy. That's his name, Fulani boy.
This guy, I know him. He's working now with many Fulani people to attack me, to destroy my reputation. They say a lot of people, even my dad. My dad now almost 35 years, he passed away. They bully me. My dad is Maguzawa. My dad is a terrorist. They say a lot of people, my dad.
They even say your ex-husband is Fulani. That's what they said.
I come from a very good family. I don't hide myself. I always mention where I come from. Even my dad's house, he has a name. Because in real Hausa people, any house, they have its name. I never hide myself. But why Fulani, they don't want me to tell the people what Hausa people going through. Some Hausa people, they are scared. They're scared. They can't say it. I'm not scared. I want to say the right. I call them my Hausa people, Muslim, Christian, unity, be together to fight for our rights.
Yes, I'm a witness to that. I've listened to you speak that way.
Okay. Now you people can see where she's coming from.
Yes, yeah.
People can see.
Let me tell you something. This woman has spoken. This has been preaching this thing. She said, if the Yorubas and their Muslims and their Christians are not showing difference, okay? Igbos have Muslims, though few. There are other tribes in Nigeria that have Muslims and Christians. But why is it that when it comes to the Hausa people, they hate their own Christians, or they hate their own Muslims, or their traditional? So she's calling all of them. She said all Hausa Christians, Hausa Muslims, Hausa traditional people, all of them should come together and join their heads together and make sure that they grow their tribe. There is no longer issue of religion now. They will no longer be divided by religion. Now they are one as this, that their tribe is their common. Can I say something?
Yeah,
glue, something like that. That's what she has been preaching. And she said that the Fulanis have Christians. Okay? But they can never see any difference between the Fulani Christians and the Fulani Muslims. So why is it that there is difference between the Hausa Christians and the Hausa Muslims? So she has been calling for unity. That's what she has been calling. She has never once said they should, the ones who have married Fulani women, that they should buy the women and buy the children. I have never heard that. I've been following her since 2022 or 2021.
Okay,
all right. Let us hear from this Hausa man who just came in. Let him speak also. Are you there?
are you talking to me?
No, I don't know if it's Hausa man. This Hausa man, please, you continue.
Kabila.
Okay, Tafi. Tafi, are you there? Tafi.
Well, this guy was talking. The Coordinate was talking. He never finalized. Let him finalize.
No, you finalize Coordinate. Are you finished?
No, I didn't even say I can have 2 minutes.
Okay, if you haven't finished, you can round up so that Tafi can introduce himself.
Okay. The thing is, the problem that's going on now is You can't even mention or you can't even say you are purely 100% of someone now on social media. These people start attacking you. That's the first problem I'm having. Secondly, I kind of, these people have marginalized the political positions and a kind of, let me say, because the North is growing based on religion position, religion issues. They have marginalized the religious, let me say, positions too. So Hausa people are not given opportunity or right to even a kind of have positions in politics. Whenever you want to kind of get a job or have something to do in the government, they will not allow you to have it because you are another Saman. If you are not Fulani, you are not allowed to have any job that is a kind of better. Secondly, I don't know what's going on. They are now in war with us on social media. Anywhere, any place they see us as Hausa people, they used to attack us. I don't know what's actually going on because I'm confused. I'm a Hausa person 100%, but I work under an Igbo man. So I know how the Igbo people view Fulani people. I know how the Yoruba people view Fulani people. So we, the Hausas, we are not the only people complaining about Fulanis. That's the honest truth. Had it been the Hausas, the only people complaining about Fulani, they would be simply accusing them. But the whole Nigeria are complaining about the same people. So now it remains to our Hausa people. They should view it very well. I'm a 100% Hausa guy, but I'm Christian. Well, whenever we stand up to fight this thing, they will tell us that we are practicing, we are fighting their religion. I'm actually proud and glad that our Hausa Muslim brothers have understand that at the moment we start fighting those people, it's not about religion, it's about the tribe. You understand? So that's just what I'm saying, because I'm actually confused. Now, as we are here now, they are here recording our statements, what we said to go and stay. That is fine. That is something whatever they want. That is fine. You understand?
Did you hear that? Sorry, I have a lot to play, maybe next time. I don't know why. You see what happened to them? They allowed the Hausas. The Hausas are very nice, kind people. They allowed the Fulanis to come into their land. And because they thought that these people are welcoming, these people are nice, according to all the whole thing I had recorded, Usman Danfodio deceived them. Deceived them, because that woman said it, and all of them were saying it, deceived them to allow them to come in. And then as they came in, he told them that their leaders, their kings are not good. So they accepted. Even Hausas also agreed to fight. They agreed to fight with Usman Danfodio to overthrow their kings. And now, after years, they say they have, after years now, in the land, in their places, they can't even get a job. It is all about the Fulanis are in charge. They can't even, it's even their governors, their local government, everything is them that is there. And they are not happy at all. This woman now is the one trying to wake her people up to say they have to wake up, that this is what is happening. That something is going on, that it's no longer the same, that they used to be together with these people, but now it's a different ball game. That these people doesn't want them. As that thing that their founder said, they will dig their whatever to the whatever, and that is their plan. So it was like this woman is waking her people up to say, wake up. We are gone. We are gone if you guys does not do anything. It's the same thing now that is happening to our people back home. This the voice I played, you guys heard what the man said. The man said that my guest has gone out. I want her to speak. The man said that they kidnapped, these people are in our forest in Igbo land, especially in Imo State. These people are in our forest. They are in our bushes. They are there now kidnapping our people. And according to the story, the person they kidnapped told them. He said he told them this and he was shocked. He said they are already in the bushes. They are already in our bushes, and they will continue to be taking our people one after another. And they will continue to be taking them. As they take them, they will ask for ransom. If you don't have enough money to pay, they will permit you. If you don't have money to pay for the ransom, you are gone. And he says that they thought we we are smart, and now they have come to smart us by taking our people one after another, and our people are disappearing. You don't know where they are going. We never knew. As they are disappearing, they are taking them, and they are acquiring them, and they are taking their organs. They are harvesting the organs of those that their loved ones was unable to pay money. But those that their loved ones was able to pay money, they will now release them. Can you all hear our people, Ndi Igbo? You all are out there fighting one another. Are we not a problem? Are we not our own problem? You all are out there castigating and fighting one another. Instead of us to focus. Mazin Nandekano created ESN for ESN to fight, to go in the bushes and then take these people out. But now the purpose of that ESN has been defeated. They are no longer going to the bushes to be checking where these people are. According to the audio, which I am going to play for you to hear, where they say they are now in the bushes in Igbo land. And according to them, they say they are everywhere. Let me play.
The next day, maybe we can live mother bata. Yam the name go here, oh my God. The man go here and the mother feel that if on a street, they on the mother 100 men. Nothing less than 300 men. Ha na-abata ndị na-aga azụ ihe oriri ihe osisi ma ndị na-abụ ashị mmadụ n'otu a ka anọdụ ya n'ime ọhịa. This will be between I don't know, so between that this thing happened and also over on nature road, as they said.
My own concern now is that, are we going to be there? Our people, are you going to be in their place and let your land? Look at the Hausa. Let me play another voice for you to hear what the Hausas are saying. You say troubling thing if we did not wake up and do something. Our men had become whatever. Let me play.
I've been to Igbo platform. I'm talking. They're recording every single day, every single thing. They vote. Most kitchen. I'm not. I take a contractor for the Christian people. I want to destroy Islam. You know, they use Islam to scare me, to make me to be silent. Because Hausa people, if you say something about religion, Hausa people, they like crazy. They don't know how to behave. So all this thing, I try to be strong. I'm not going to scare. I'm encouraging Hausa Muslim to be strong. Don't be scared. If people call you, you obey Magzawa or you Capri, don't be scared. Just tell the people we are Hausa, we are here. Because Apalani say they are not Hausa people. Hausa people is not tribe. Hausa people is a language. That Azizagi say. That Ahmad Gumi say. That's Muslimi is also saying. Fulani, want to make Hausa people as they have done for Mauritania. If you see Mauritania now, you can see the yellow people. Just 300 years ago, there are no white people in Mauritania. There are black people. They use religion to kill them, to make them slave, they're not allowed them to go to school, they're not allowed to job, they're not allowed to own even farm. That's now happened in Mauritania. What happened in Mauritania? It's almost going to happen to Hausa people if I didn't come out to say, hey, Hausa people, wake up. We are in danger. So that's why all the people, they hate me. They're looking for me. They want to kill me. Why? Because they want me to be silent. I'm not going to be silent. I'm going to fight. I'm going to fight. I'm going to fight. Then I died. I'm going to make my people in unity, to love each other, to respect each other, as Yoruba people do, Muslim and Christian, as Igbo people do, as all the tribe do in this country. And yet Allah, they are leader, Christian, Muslim, but we're not allowed to be together. They go, Hajj, he wants to destroy Islam. It is kafra. Her blood is her blood is now. Everybody can. Not anyone here. I can put your audio to hear. Imam from Sokoto. They say any Fulani saw me to kill me because I'm going to put.
Why not? If you're Fulani, send request. You can send your request.
Okay.
We are allowed to speak because you're a Fulani. Yeah.
Aliba, I wanted to, Kabila, wait 1 minute before you continue. I wanted to say something before this guy left and not cornered. Listen, my advice to you people, to our Hausa people, is that you people should stand. You people should stand on your ground. And Aliba, I thank you for your courage. Please, don't allow anybody to deceive you, because even what you said here now is what is happening. We all knew that these things you said are truth, because we Igbos have been marginalized, just like you people. I can even say now that Hausa people are endangered tribe in Nigeria. Hausa people, the way I see, I don't even know there's a difference between Hausa and Fulani until in this TikTok that something is going wrong. You see,
also feel like for political, every time during voting come, they put us in the mood. Don't vote for Catholic. Don't vote for someone in the south. Vote your brother. Vote Muslim. This is just jihadis. Don't vote. If you want, I can vote for you. A reference, evident. I have it for Ibrahim Kaduna. He say the problem is people for the middle belt and the Igbo people, they're not allowed to be a president of Nigeria. If you want it, I can put for you. I'm ready. What I'm saying, I have evidence. Even on my platform, when I talk, I put a reference. I have evidence.
Thank you. Continue with the good job.
Tell us, we're not going to vote for anyone coming, Christian or Igbo. We're not supposed to vote for Christian or Igbo people. Why? Igbo don't kill us. Christian don't kill us. Why we hit them? We don't have problem with the Igbo. We don't have problem with the Christian. Fulani take our women. They rape them in the mosque. In the mosque, they rape us in the mosque. They kill us. They burn our children. They take our children to give their dog to eat.
So what are we going to do about it, my people? Can you talk? Because I think you've gone out and come back. I just give you the platform to speak, please. Go ahead.
Again, I didn't hear you. Ask again.
Go ahead and speak. Go ahead, because this thing now, look at how the outsiders are gone. Look at how they are crying. Look at how they are now in pain because they allow these people to come to their land, and now they have no home. They have nothing. They are gone. What is going on with Igbo people? Why are we not waking up? Why are we not seeing the truth? As if now they can warn us that these people are coming. These people are coming to take over our land. And according to their audio, we had the first one, that they are already in the bushes. They are kidnapping and taking our people, and they are even harvesting organs. And they are even saying that they are ready for us. And why wouldn't they have some the governor to go out there and check for these people wherever they are and fish them out from our land? Why would they? Because we have governors that are sympathizing with them. We have governors that have made a deal with them. We have governors that all these politicians that they have made a deal with them. They don't care about us because this is what is going to happen. What happened to the Hausa Fulani? If we are not the Fulanis, if we are not careful, we are going to end up like this. I give you the platform.
Good evening, brothers and sisters, those at home and those abroad. Wherever you're watching this live from, I send you greetings. Can you hear me? Because like the network is bridging.
I hear
you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the thing is, ejila gwala ochinti na agha esula. Okay. Talking about our people not being awakened, sleeping, and invaders are coming. This is not a new thing to us, and
network is kind of having a problem. Her location network is having a problem. So I think when she comes back. So what are we gonna do? We are all there, okay. The governors are doing nothing. And if they can't do anything, can't we help ourselves to secure our land? Because this is gonna be so bad. If these people say they are already in their bushes, they say they are already there and they're taking our people.
our problem is not just not being awakened. Because if you listen to that sister now, she's saying that they use religion to do this, to do that, and to confuse them. But our problem is start with self. Our problem is beyond religion.
Network is having a problem, and network allocation network is having a problem. Yeah, the ladies mentioned about religion. That is exactly what they do. They will use religion because even the outside people, we are first Muslims before these people came in, and they started want to because they have different fashion of Islam.
So what you're seeing now is a result of Aruba Oboro Menana. Okay? As it is now, as you're saying it, as you because you understand, this is something that has been going on and on and on. It has been like that from the time immemorial. And until our people wake up to the truth, to to treating each other right, we can never get it right now. We are just people just keep making noise. We must wake up to learn to treat each other right, even if we want to secure our land. If my heart, I don't trust you, you don't trust me. Two of us we don't agree, we cannot work together.
Mm.
When in our water,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
if we don't trust each other, we cannot work together. So this is the reason why you see that no matter how you try to gather the sheep or to gather the people, nana maybe for what, there will always be a leakage, there will always be saboteurs. Why? Because they are na-achọ ego, only God na-achọ power. So there is a problem with our personalities first. We have to return to self first. Chọtagodo onwe gị, work on yourself. Let's work on ourselves individually first before we cannot collectively come together and work as a people. That is just the truth.
Exactly.
Maka ndị agha emego omenala ha emeteghị ya. They went in and started bringing in strange gods that are not known to their ancestors. On top of that one, they couldn't do it properly. Ebubatara ha Christianity. Today, the Christianity they are practicing is different from the Christianity that was brought to them. Ha sị na ya, some amabanye na Judaism. Ihe ibe ha na practice is different from what they are practicing. Some mix the Judaism with Christianity. At the end of the day, some of them again today na amabaha back to omenala. And when you see them very serious na ha na-eme ife dị n'omenala, you think that ha na-achọ chi ha. You think that maybe they want to return to the ancient path of righteousness. And when you come close to them, you will realize that yeah, na trouble quick way again to make money. More genye ha ego. None of them is thinking about how to fix our land, how to fix themselves, because they keep believing no more genye ha ego, no more get fixing ha ala ha, not knowing that it is we, because this is our territory. It is we that will fix it. It is we that will safeguard it. It is we that will build it. And until each and every average Igbo and African realize that there is no one, there is no one coming here to fix our land, we will.
Sorry.
And otu emegoro religion nke omenala, make Christianity, make Judaism. Some people are going to what omenala back again. I tell you from the revelation given to me, Islam is coming to an Igbo. Akwa onye Hausa na-ebe is small o. Maka from our people, ụjọ, they were terrified. Ebe ha amaghọ n'ụwa anyị nọ n'ime ya, ego is not everything. Life, everything here ends here. Nwere ihe dị n'ụwa, just like the preacher say, vanity upon vanity. So ego ha mere ndị be anyị ji ebitere onwe ha, ego ahụ ha na-achụsi ike bụ ihe na-emebi ha n'anya, as far as o metụtaghọ ha, as far as ha na-azụ ahịa, as far as ha na-enweta their profit ọ gbasaghọ ha. The people ga-abịa akụziri ha that you can have all the money yet you will not. So may get out. Ega cannot abịa. But I'm praying for them to wake up before then. Ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ma chigharịa. Because asị bediri na Biafra bịa taa, me and you ma that some people who ndị be anyị ụjọ na-atụdị ha.
Oh no, I think our network is having a problem. The whole thing is that our people have to forget, they have to kind of like.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I keep saying I can't hear you now, but I can hear you now.
Okay, I said whatever good we want to experience must start from us. Repenting genuinely. Rapụ ajọ ihe. Rapụ greed. Oke ọchịchọ. Greed na oke ọchịchọ anaghị ala Igbo n'iyi. Even with all the money they have, n'elu, is there peace in that land? Udo dị. Udo dị. Udo adịrọ. Asị na righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a reproach to any people. Okwu ahụ bụ eziokwu tọgbọrọ ihe ka ọ bụ. Because without righteousness, with your money, arụ ka ya na-eme on daily basis. Without righteousness, we cannot come together as a people and speak in one voice. Without righteousness. Kedu ihe na-ebute na mmadụ na-emegbu nwanne ya? You want to take what is not yours. Is it not covetousness? Covetousness, ihe abụrụ nke gị, you want to take it by force. And when the other one find out, the other one will go behind and collect money and join forces with the enemy against their brothers. Ọrụ ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo. So until we tell ourselves the truth, until we repent personally, I'm talking about personally, let's check on ourselves, that demon in us. Let's fix ourselves. We can't fix our land without fixing ourselves. So whatever good we want to see in our land must start with it.
It is so bad though.
Yeah. Aiju, continue na-achụ ego, na-agbaje. You will come back to that land as a stranger.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
That is what happened to Fulani now. That's what happened to Hausa people. They said all their local government, all their politicians, is not all of them, but they are majority. And they said they are the majority. But they have no say. It is the Fulanis that have taken over everything. They are like one was saying that he went to go and get a job in the local government, and he's from Kano, and he said that they asked him, they asked him they will give you a form to fill, And in that form, you feel that you are Hausa. As long as you feel you are Hausa, they will not give you that job. Unless you feel you are Fulani. And he said he cannot do that. He will identify who he is, that he is an Hausa person. He cannot identify. He's a nurse. And he said in the hospital, they did not employ him. He has to go and be working in a private place. And so they are coming out in that place, that program, that TikTok. The Fulani, one Fulani man was saying, yes, he's not happy with what their people are doing. That they are finding way to see how to stop them. How can they become a problem to the whole nation? They are the problem everybody is facing. Everybody is facing Fulani. Everybody is crying Fulani. One guy from Edo State, Benue State, said their Benue people, they have all gone to camp. If you see the camp, they're where they are because they have no farm. And these people are the people that farm. They are the people that produce a lot of food and the Nigerians are eating. But now they have nowhere to farm because the Fulanis are taking over. Everywhere is these people that we are in trouble. Everywhere, what kind of a people is this? They are not even the indigenous people, but they have come from all over the places and they have taken over. And now, in our own land, Mazina Dekano established ESN. But now, the ESN is gone. The Fulani now, they are now in our bushes. They are not taking our people. They are not killing, them. They are now kidnapping them. If you don't pay ransom, if you don't pay them ransom, it's going to all these people that the politicians now are doing nothing about it. Hope Uzodimma is doing nothing about it because some of them, most of them, are the mixed blood of Fulani. So how do we do this? I don't answer. I don't answer. I don't answer. We are in big trouble. Master Kano was shouting this thing. But our people are taking it for granted. The hour has come when these people are going to take over our land. And we are going to, and Master Kano was telling them, this is what the Yoruba, the Hausa said, the man said, this is now, they can't even have no mouth to talk in their own land. In their own land. And they welcome these people. They have no mouth to talk. They are living in fear. They came, even one of their king went to go and meet the Sokoto man, Emma of whatever. On the way from it, these people now took him, abducted him. Up to now, they have not found him. And the man he went to go and see could not come to say, we are sorry, nothing happening. You see the problem. What did we do to these people? You came to somebody's land and you become a terror. Ndị be anyị anọrọkwa ya nkịta na-agwa ha okwu achọghị ịdọ ga-agwa ọnọ n'akịlịka ọdọkwa na nsogbu ọdọkwa nsogbu my sister.
The thing is, through all of this, also I'm not here. I don't may blame on the Fulani. You know what? Maka na nwoke nọ n'ụlọ gbara oke nọ n'ọhịa na azụ dị na ngịrị ya. You know what? Nwoke nọ n'ụlọ gwara nke nọ n'ọhịa na azụ dị na ngịga.
Exactly.
What did they eat that made them to go and tell those people that look, bia. What happened? Before they even took over wherever they took over. Aka anago azụ. Do you understand me? Aka anago n'azụ. Aka anago azụ. So the problem, I still see that the problem is not the invaders. The problem bụ ndị na-akpọrọ ha jee na kọna jee nara ha ihe and then betray their people. Nye ha ọnọdụ ebe ekwesịghị inye ha ọnọdụ. Do you understand? So,
my dear, I just don't know. I had that audio. And I'm disturbed. I am really disturbed. Nobody will hear that audio and will not be disturbed because families are bankrupt. Families are going to be going through. We don't know. If they're asking them for ransom, you don't have enough money to give. What next? You don't have enough money to give. They are all gone. Well, how did we end up like
now? Nnamdi Kanu maka ya. I don't know if you are not understanding. So when I got the revelation I got, come on, stop it. When I got the revelation I got recently, I knew that Nnamdi Kanu already said this. Sorry, calm down. Nnamdi Kanu ekwugo ya. Nnamdi Kanu ekwugo ya. Ọ bụrụ na ndị be anyị agaghị amụta ihe from ihe Nnamdi Kanu gwara ha, a na-abụkwa na-eme ha n'anya ụgha ha amụta ihe. So, ka uche Chineke mezuo n'okpuru anyanwụ. When the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? Kedu ihe ị ga-eme? So your own is ịmara ihe kwesịrị ime dịka mmadụ ime. Ị rapụrụ Chukwu nke dịrị ya. The universe sees, the universe understands, the universe rewards. That is it. Mana otu a na-ekwukwa na-ekwu ya ọ ka onye na-anụ maka na ịnụ onye nụ ya agwado nwanne ya. N'ihe ọ bụla mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa ọ ga-aghọrọ mkpụrụ ya. Anybody nọ n'ala Igbo na-ebitray ụmụ Igbo, na-akpọbata ndị ga-egbu ụmụ Igbo, onye ọbụla na-akwafu ọbara ụmụ Igbo, ọ ga-asa ajụjụ ọbara ọbụla ụkwafu. Na-ayọkwa ụmụnne anyị si ka anyị kaba arụ na-ebi ezi ndụ. Rapụ kene na ịchụ ego n'ụzọ ma ụzọ ezighi ezi. Ịna ha aka azụ imebi ihe a na-eme ka emezi emezi unu nke ọ na-abụrụ nghasa. This is my opinion. That change we want, let it begin with us in this struggle. In this struggle. Let it begin with us. Why? Why are you crying? In this struggle.
If you go know that not one people ndị Igbo, ọkwa the same ndị Igbo nwere one people. The same ndị Igbo kpọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu debe ọba ọnụ. The same ndị Igbo asị na ha agaghị unite. The same ndị Igbo ajụ na ha agaghị abịa ka ha bụrụ ofu. The same ndị Igbo na-ebitray onwe ha. The same ndị Igbo na-achọ position. The same ndị Igbo na-achọ ego. The same ọ gịnị dị ihe nke ọ gịnị mere ha eme? Ha ga-anọ akọba ndị ihe a mere ndị Hausa na ga-emebe ndị Igbo ma ọ bụ na ha ndị ekwu onye ya dị mmadụ na-ekwu onye ya sị na ha nọrọ ogo anụrụ ha nọrọ ogo mba anyị. So ihe ọbụla anyị na-eme anyị esi ụda na-epiki anyị ọtụle taịm rụzie mgbe anyị emezi ihe dị n'ọgụ anyị enweghịzi ndị be anyị ga-apụta n'iwu ọgụ bikos na ha egbuchacha na ndị be anyị. Unu asị na gịnị na-eme ndị Igbo na ha agaghị eteta ụla. Ihe a ga-eme bụ solushon bụ achọọ ndị ọ bụ na drom achọọ n'ebe ndị a nọ were drom sekụl ebe ha nọ jee kpọpụ ha ebe a ha bụ chọọ ndị ya eje kpọpụ ha bikos ha nọrọ ọkwa ebe a ebelebe egbu amakwa m ihe ga-ekwu. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ego ka anyị na-achọ ego anyị kụchita ego ma anyị afọ ọzọ anyị azanata nwaanyị Igbo dị mma. Onye ọbụla ndị ahụ na-achụkwa ụlọ na do ndị Yoruba na-achụ ụlọ ndị Hausa enwere ebe ha nọ bikọs ndị Fulani ndị Janjaweed ewere ego ana ha ndị Janjaweed eteke n'ova ndị Yoruba ga-achụpụkwa ndị Igbo mma amazi ebe ndị Igbo ya azọ ya ụkwụ mma ama ebe ndị Igbo ya anọ ka ebe ụnụ ya agbara jebe ndị nọt ndị Fulani ndị Janjaweed achụpụgodo ha ọ bụrụ nke ndị ofe mmanụ ya achụpụta ụlọ ebe ka ụlọ ya eje ọkọtara ụlọ mma nke ọlaid ụlọ ejikwana ụlọ ahịa esekwe ọba na anụ Igbo nke a gbasara anyị niile ọ ga-eme onye ọbụla n'anya ọ ga-eme onye ọbụla n'anya. I have no much to say.
President. Ego a na-achụ ha na-ebe na akafuru ha na they are being marginalized with ego ha niile. Ọkwa Nnamdi Kanu gwara ha n'oge na-abịa mgbe ego ha kpara tinye na bank they will not have access to it. Uche na-asị ịma na onye ji power ji ihe niile. Onye ọbụla na-egbu onye Igbo na-anụ ọnụ anyị ịmara asụ sụọ n'ikwu ịma ha asụ sụọ na maka na anaghị agwa ochi ntị na ahịa etula
and the woman si na ndị Igbo ndị be ha bịara na-anụ ha bịa fụ na ịbụ prominent person were nwunye onye janjaweed nye ha sị ha nụba so ha anụgolu ha mingle go together ha miss go with miss blood so ị na-ekwuzi ndị apụta na-asị gị na agaghị eme ọkwa na-eme ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị nọ n'ala Igbo na-anụzi ha ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị nọ n'ala Igbo na-anụzi ndị janjaweed maka ihe gịnị maka ihe ego ụfọdụ ụmụ agbọghọ ụmụ ndị Igbo na-ajụ ntinye ha mụtara anyị nwa ị na-ekwuzi nwa ha nwa na-ekwu ọzọ ị na-asị mba na ọka anyị chọrọ freedom asị gị mana achọrọ freedom because na ha emisi gị ọzọ ọkwa the same thing that lady na-asị na ya asị ndị be ha nụzi na ha migozi na ha because na ime emeka na-anụkwa ha na-akpọta ha together the same thing ga-eme ị na-ekwu ọzọ ha na-ekwu ọzọ ihe anụnụ ha kpọtabe ha kpọta nụọ ha amụtara gị nwa ịbịasịzi mba na onye ya so ụmụ anyị Igbo ebidogoje na-anụzi na-anụ ha wee na-atụtara ha na-atụta ime ụfọdụ bụ akpịrị ego ha na-ejije dine ha dịkọta akpịrị ego maka na ego adịghị ndị na-ata afụ onye janjaweed bịasị ha ka ha dịbi ha ekwete jee dine ya edini ya enye ya ego bife marịa ọmụta nwa janja mụtara ha nwa bife marịa ị na-ekwu ọzọ ihe mere some of them ndị anyị na-afụ anyị na-aba na-ekwu ọzọ ha na-ekwu ọzọ ha bụ miss blood maka nwafọ Igbo ma n'ala Igbo n'idiri ịdị ihe ma mana nwafọ Igbo agaghị asị na asị ji egbisibe ụmụnne ya ọ gaghị ekwe nwafọ Igbo agaghị eme ya ọ gaghị eme ya
ọwa amaghị ama na nzuzu na akpịrị ego na-eme nwa Igbo nwa ọgbụgba ndụ rapụ ana Igbo rapụ onye Igbo jee n'onye asụsụ ọzọ ụmụ onye mere Chineke ụmụ Igbo ji si ụmụ Igbo anọkwa na ndị asụsụ ọzọ ọ maka ihe anyị na ha akọwa na maka blood ahụ mixed ha and it becomes a problem.
Exactly.
Do you understand? Ihe ha ga-akwụzi in between. Same with the offspring. Should I side my people? Should I side my father, my husband people? Do you understand me? So it is well.
Yeah, man. I just feel my people. I just pity my people because this woman is just crying. Though. This woman has been speaking for his people since, and why is it that the only thing you make but I will keep my people up. Ka we teta n'ụla ka we ma that na ihe ha na-achị ihe na ndị anyị kpọtara anyị nabatara na obodo anyị na ha bụ ndị na ha bịara gogbu anyị anyị amaghị na ha ihe ha nwere agenda agenda ahụ ka o ji wee spray everywhere wee jeje tụrụ ha asịsị ha na eze ha bụ ajọ mmadụ na nke a na ha chọrọ nka na ha chọrọ Islam jihad na ha chọrọ ndị Fulani ndị Hausa che na eziokwu mana ndị Hausa bụbu Muslim ha wee sị mba ka ha wee nabata na asị ha na ha bụ ezigbo nkata m ihe tata nsị Chineke onye nke a na-eme dị na Naịjirịa nwa ndị nke ọzọ bụ ndị Hausa ndị nke ọzọ bata wee ndị Fulani wee na-edifend but one man si na ihe onye nke a bụkwa onye Fulani ọ sị na ihe ndị Fulani na-eme na ya adịghị happy na ya bụ Fulani mana ihe ha na-eme na ọ dịghị mma ihe ha na-eme everywhere na-akpọ ha n'ọnụ why na ha ihe ji live peace and harmony with others asịkwazi na ndị bandit dị ihe a na ha si generalize kwa all of them na bandit ndị Fulani ndị batara abata Chineke kere ụwa ya ka ha sịkwasị na ha nọ n'ala Igbo ha etekigo n'ova ndị maazị Nnamdi Kanu atraịrị ndị ESN na-achịpụ ha nọzi n'ala Igbo na-akpazi agha na-ebuzi ndị mmadụ na-ekidnapụzi na-etekizi organs Chineke Igbo mere ha ebere Chineke Igbo mere ụmụ Igbo ebere because ha achọghị iteta n'ụla ha ka na-arahụ ụla mgbe onye eme ha n'anya everybody will pay for it. My dear, thank you so much for coming. I don't want to speak long because I were cold. Thank you so much for coming. We'll be trying our best to be sensitizing them and explaining to them that they need to open their eyes, they need to wake up, they need to know the truth, they need to find a way to safeguard our land. If not, I got down a kakoko. Look at the Hausa Fulani, the Hausa non-kita, look at the middle belt. I got down come out here. Something else to finish for you to round up. You can round up. Let's end this program. Look, her network is gone. So I think I have to run this program because I'm not feeling too well. I have cold. Sick. Cannot see the way I'm talking. So if our people like, let them continue to be there and be maybe merry because at the end we are all going to suffer it. Let them continue. They keep they now fight the freedom Biafra. They are all there fighting themselves, fighting everybody, fighting themselves. They refuse to unite together. They refuse to be together. He will call this one name, call this. They refuse because it must be about them, about me. If it's not me, it will not be about you. That is our people. It must be me. Why must it be you? What you are not good at, let it somebody that is good at it take over. If you know you cannot handle this, allow the person that can handle it, handle it. But our people are not like that. All they want is position, power, money. It's only Chuku, Chineke, Umu Igbo, that is all I have to say. Because our people, they have problem, big time problem. Good night to you all. And thank you so much for giving me your time. And you're listening here. Please help me share this program so that it will reach others and they will listen to it. And if there's anything they can do, let them be prepared because our people are not prepared. They are not prepared to face the enemy. And I feel so sorry. Mas Kano that is there, they are holding him. And then our people have scattered. They are not prepared. I don't know what IPOP US is doing. I don't have no clue. Whatever Simon Epa and their own group is doing, I have no clue. Only God, so Chineke, maka anyị ga-esi wee si n'aka ihe anyị tara ya wee pụta. Kachi phone. Thank you so much. I love you all. Good night. Take care of yourself. I have to go and sleep.